If you're in your 20s right now, you probably don't think much about retirement. After all, it feels decades away. But let me tell you something powerful. What you do with your money today will determine whether you retire rich or struggle for the rest of your life. So, listen closely, because I am going to break down exactly what you should do in your 20s. If you want to retire with financial freedom, step 1. Master the habit of saving. The number one mistake most people make in their 20s is thinking they'll save later. Wrong. Every dollar you save today has decades to grow. If you save just $5,000 a year from age 20 and invest it with an average 10% return, by the time you're 60, you'll have over $3 million. That's the power of compounding. The earlier you start, the less you have to save later. Step 2. Invest. Don't just save. Saving alone won't make you rich. If your money sits in a bank account earning 2%, inflation is eating away at it. Instead, you need to invest. Start with index funds or ETF. For example, the S&P 500 has returned about 10% annually over the last century. That's where your money should be working. If you put $200 a month into an index fund starting at age 20, by retirement, you could have over $1 million. Step 3. Live below your means. I know it's tempting to spend on fancy clothes, cars, or eating out every weekend. But remember this. Every dollar you spend today is a dollar that could have doubled, tripled, or even grown 10 times by the time you're older. Learn to enjoy life without overspending. Buy assets first, luxuries later. Step 4. Build multiple income streams. Don't rely on a single paycheck. In your 20s, start a side hustle, invest in skills, or build something online. Whether it's freelancing, content creation, or starting a small business. Multiple streams of income give you security and accelerate wealth. The rich don't depend on just one source of money. Step 5. Avoid bad debt credit cards, high-interest loans, and buy dash. Now dash pay dash later. Traps will keep you broke. If you use debt, use it wisely. Like for education, business, or assets that appreciate. Don't finance a lifestyle you can't afford. Remember, interest can work for you when you invest, or against you when you borrow. Step 6. Continuously invest in yourself. The best investment in your 20s is not just stocks or real estate. It's you. Learn skills that increase your earning potential. Coding, digital marketing, public speaking, or finance itself. The more valuable you are in the marketplace, the more money you can make and invest. Step 7. Think long term. Here's the truth. Wealth is built slowly. If you're 20 today, you have a 40-plus year runway. Don't chase quick money schemes. Focus on consistency. $10 a day invested over 40 years can turn into millions. Slow, steady, and smart always beats fast and reckless. So, if you're in your 20s and dreaming of retiring rich, here's your game plan. Save early, invest consistently, avoid bad debt, live below your means, and invest in yourself. The earlier you start, the less you'll have to worry about money later in life. Remember, wealth is not about how much you make. It's about how early you start and how disciplined you are. Your 20s are your biggest opportunity! Don't waste them!